हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम फार्मास्यूटिक्स के एमसीक्यू देखेंगे। ये आपके सभी एग्जाम के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट रहने वाले, फार्मासिस्ट एग्जाम जीपैट के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, विच ब्रांच ऑफ फार्मेसी डील्स विद द फॉर्मुलेशन ऑफ ड्रग्स इनटू डोजेज फॉर्म? ऑप्शन ए फार्माकोलॉजी, ऑप्शन बी फार्माकोग्नोसी, ऑप्शन सी फार्मास्यूटिक्स एंड ऑप्शन डी फार्मास्यूटिकल केमिस्ट्री। तो फार्मास्यूटिकल केमिस्ट्री में हम स्टडी करते हैं केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी एंड सिंथेसिस ऑफ द ड्रग, and pharmacognosy study natural sources of drug like plant and animals. So correct answer is option C, pharmaceutics. Next question. The main goal of pharmaceutics is to option A study drug absorption, option B develop safe and effective dosage form, and option C analysis drug metabolites, and option D identify drug targets. Correct answer is option B, develop safe and effective dosage form. Pharmaceutics ensure that drugs are formulated into proper dosage form like tablet, injection, cream, making them safe and effective for use. And study drug absorption is part of the pharmacokinetic. And analysis drug metabolized is studied in the pharmacology and biochemistry. And identify drug target part of the medicinal chemistry. Next question. Which of the following is an example of a semi-solid dosage form? Option A syrup, option B ointment, option C capsule, and option D injection. Correct answer is option B, ointments. Semi-solid dosage form has a thick consistency between liquid and solid, commonly used for topical applications. Ointments, creams, and gels fall under this category. Example is betadine ointment. And syrup is a liquid dosage form, and capsule is a solid dosage form, and injection is a liquid parenteral dosage form. Next question. Which dosage form is intended for sublingual administrations? Option A capsule, option B tablet, option C torches, and option D lozenges. So correct answer is option C. Sublingual administrations means placing the drug under the tongue where it dissolves quickly and enter the bloodstream directly. Next question. Parenteral routes of drug administration include all except option A intravenous, option B intramuscular, and option C oral, and option D subcutaneous. So correct answer is option C, oral. Oral administration is not a parenteral route because it involves swallowing the drugs which passes through the digestive system. Next question. If 2 gram of drug is dissolved into 100 ml of solution, what is the concentrations in percentage weight by volume? इसमें फॉर्मूला लगेगा, concentrations is equal to weight of the drug in gram by volume of the solution ml into 100. Concentrations is equal to weight of the drug by volume of the solutions into 100. So correct answer is option 1%. Next question. What is the weight of drug required to make 500 ml of a 5% weight by volume solution? Weight of the drug is equal to concentrations into volume by 100. इसमें फॉर्मूला लगा के इस वैल्यू को पुट करके इसका आंसर जो है आपको मैं कमेंट में बताएं. Weight of the drug is equal to concentration into volume by 100. Next question. Question number 8. Which of the following is not a tablet excipient? Option A diluent, option B lubricant, option C antioxidant, option D antibodies. Correct answer is option D, antibodies. Antibodies are not a excipient. They are protein used in immunotherapy and vaccines. Next question. Which material is used for making hard gelatin capsule? Option A starch, option B gelatin, option C polyvinyl alcohol, and option D ethyl cellulose. Ethyl cellulose used in control release tablet, polyvinyl alcohol used in the film coating, and starch used in the tablet, not for the capsule. So correct answer is option B, gelatin. Hard gelatin capsule are made from gelatin, a protein derived from the collagen found in the animal's bones and skin. This capsule dissolve in the stomach and release the drug. Next question. Andrin coated tablets are designed to option A dissolve in the mouth, option B dissolve in the stomach, option C dissolve in the intestine, and option D dissolve in the liver. Correct answer is option C, dissolve in the intestine. Entering coated tablet have a special coating that resist stomach acid and dissolve only in the intestine to protect the drug or prevent stomach irritation. Next question. Which of the following is not a requirement for parental product? Option A sterility, option B pyrogen free, option C isotonicity, and option D colored appearance. Correct answer is option D colored appearance. Parental product should be sterile, pyrogen free, and isotonic to ensure safety. Next question. Which injection type is given into the muscles? Option A intravenous, option B intramuscular, option C subcutaneous, and option D intradermal. Intradermal injections given into the skin layer used in allergic test, and subcutaneous injection under the skin, IV injection into the veins ensuring immediate effect. So correct answer is option B. Intramuscular injections are given directly into the muscles for fast absorptions of the drug. Examples are vaccines and pain reliever. Next, aqueous dispersion of an insoluble solid in a liquid is called option A suspension, option B solution, option C emulsion, and option D syrup. Correct answer is option A suspension. A suspension is a mixture where solid particles are dispersed in a liquid but do not dissolve. Example is antacid suspension. And solutions is a homogeneous mixture where solute dissolve in completely, and emulsions is a mixture of two immiscible liquid like oil and water, and syrup is a solution of sugar in water often with medications. Question number 14. Which type of emulsion is used for intravenous nutrition? Correct answer is option A. Oil in water emulsions are used for intravenous nutrition as they allow better absorption. Next question is autoclaving is an example of option A dry heat sterilization, option B filtration, option C moist heat sterilization, and option D radiation sterilization. Correct answer is option C moist heat sterilizations. Next question. Question number 16. Which sterilization method is suitable for heat sensitive solution? Option A dry heat, option B filtration, option C autoclaving, option D radiation. Correct answer is option B filtration. Next question. Which of the following is a sustained release formulation? Option A conventional tablet, option B entering coated tablet, option C matrix tablet, and option D powder dosage form. Correct answer is option C matrix tablet. Next question. Question number 18. Osmotic drug relief systems work by option A enzyme activations, option B dissolutions in the stomach, option C control water influx, and option D passive diffusion. Correct answer is option C control water influx. Next question. GMP guidelines ensure option A product safety and quality, option B high drug prices, option C limited productions, and option D faster approval process. Correct answer is option A product safety and quality, and GMP means good manufacturing practice. Next question. Which factor is not included in GMP? Option A proper documentation, option B personal hygiene of worker, option C use of outdated equipments, and option D regular quality testing. Correct answer is option C. GMP requires the use of modern, well-maintained equipments to ensure product quality. Outdated equipments may lead to contaminations or inconsistent drug productions. Next question. Liposomes are used to option A enhance drug solubility, option B reduce drug toxicity, option C improve drug stability, and option D all of the above. Correct answer is option A enhance drug solubility. Liposomes are small vesicles made of lipid bilayer used for drug delivery. They can improve the solubility, stability, and reduce toxicity by encapsulating drug. Next question. Bioavailability is the fraction of drug that is absorbed into circulation. Option B binds to plasma protein. Option C is excreted unchanged, and option D causes toxicity. Correct answer is option A. Bioavailability refers to the fraction of the administration drug that reaches systemic circulation. Next question. Which excipient improve tablet hardness? Option A talc, option B starch, option C lactose, and option D binder. Binder are used in tablet formulation to hold the ingredient together and improve the hardness of the tablet, making it more resistant to breaking. And talc is used as a lubricant, and starch is a disintegrant and help tablet break down, and lactose used as a filler. Next question. Which preservative is commonly used in ophthalmic solution? Option A, benzyl conium chloride. Option B, sodium chloride. Option C, citric acid. And option D, talc. Talc used as lubricant, and sodium chloride is a saline solution. Correct answer is option A. Benzyl conium chloride is a widely used preservative in ophthalmic solution due to its antimicrobial property, which help prevent contamination in eye drops and other ocular medications. Example is timolol eye drop use benzyl conium chloride as a preservative to prevent bacterial contamination. Next question is, a drug shelf life is influenced by option A, temperature, option B, humidity, option C, light exposure, and option D, all of the above. Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Next question, which is a method to improve drug solubility? Option A, particle size reduction, option B, complexion, option C, salt formation, and option D, all of the above. Method like reducing particle size, creating complexes, or forming salt can be improve the solubility of the drug, making it more bioavailable and effective. Next question, which is an example of a mucoadhesive system? Option A, transdermal patches, option B, buccal tablet, option C, soft gelatin capsule, and option D, eye drops. Correct answer is option B, buccal tablet.